What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, of course guys. As you can see, we had a crazy movement to the upside. Nobody was expecting this movement to happen. Everyone on the crypto world was expecting us to break below the level of this important support, but no guys, we were rejected by this level and we went 7% to the upside. I expected, of course, some relief rally, as I told you on the previous video, but definitely not this crazy movement that we had here. Unlike Bitcoin, guys, we were pretty much expecting this very crazy movement that we had to the upside here on Solana, guys. I even told you on my Telegram channel. If you are a member of my Telegram channel already, guys, you already knew that we were expecting this to go to the upside because I told you. As you can see right here, good morning bulls, Solana is breaking out from this bull flag pattern. That's why I'll be looking for the formation of the next higher low to open some long position. Also told you here the next resistance and the supports that we had below the price section, guys. The price just exploded since I warned you. We went 13%, 14% to the upside. So if you're not in my Telegram channel yet, guys, you're losing important information. In this video, we are going to better talk about this chart, guys. We are also going to, of course, talk about Bitcoin and Matic. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick with me until the end of this video. Of course, guys, don't forget, if you also want to start trading and making your own money, guys, my recommendation to you, the first place is Bybit and the second place is Bitflex. Bybit is my favorite one, but it requires KYC. If you don't want to do KYC, nowhere, so I would tell you to use Bitflex instead. Using the first link here to sign up, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus, and using the second link, you can claim $10 when you deposit $100. Let's start with Bitcoin, guys. I was expecting some relief rally to the upside, but definitely not this crazy movement that we had here. For example, we broke above the level of this resistance here. From this point, then why I could expect some movement to hit this target right here, all the way up to this level, which is in confluence with this level of resistance here, also this descending resistance. So this was definitely a very good level that I was expecting the price to stop going to the upside and start going to the downside once more, even breaking the line of our support. And even in the worst case, I would expect the price to touch the level of the top of this parallel channel, but no, Bitcoin just went bananas. Right now, to be more clear, I'm going to be deleting this parallel channel because, as you can see, we broke it to the upside, we broke it to the downside, we broke it to the upside once more. So let's just delete this. And I have a new line of resistance here. There we go. It is a very clear pattern, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. And you can see that this time we didn't even touch the level of the resist. So it can mean that we are very weak and we don't even have strength enough to touch the top of the pattern. Or the other scenario is that this touch is going to come on the next few hours. But wait, Rodrigo, why you keep talking about weakness? Why after this huge straight movement to the upside, you keep talking about bearishness, about weakness? Guys, because this is a bearish pattern. Yes, we had all this movement, but we are inside a bearish pattern, guys. And we formed a higher high according to the previous highs right here. And on the RSI, we are still making lower highs, guys. So we are still having the bearish divergency. I know I've been talking about this for a while, but you have to understand that we are talking about here a big time frame, guys, and that's how it works. It takes more time to play out. So we have divergency from this top to this top right here, and another divergency from this top to this top. As you can see, I can show to you the daily time frame as well, and we are also having this bearish divergency still. All this crazy movement on the price action, but if you pay attention here, the RSI, we not even came close to the previous tops, and that's why I keep talking about these bearish scenarios, guys. But of course we can, for example, as I told you, we are in a big time frame, guys, so it takes time to play out. So we can be trapped here inside this pattern for a while, come back to the level of the support once more, come back to the level of the resistance once more, come all the way to $40,000 here, touch the level of the resistance, and we would be still talking about bearish scenario, we would be still talking about correction. Talking about Matic, guys, you can see that we are, of course, still inside this pattern right here. We also had a great movement to the upside 11, 12% to the upside. But here we are even weaker. We didn't manage to break above the level of the previous high, and we also didn't have enough strength to touch the top, to touch the resistance of the pattern, and we started to go down already. So basically the technical analysis here for Matic still the same. Finally, talking about Bitcoin, guys, let me know if you saw my message on the Telegram channel and you traded this movement, guys. If you did, let me know how much is your profit. Since we broke out of this bull flag, guys, we went almost 20% to the upside, guys. And the best thing is we didn't hit our target yet. We are going to go up to $74, $75, guys. Yes, why? Because it is the height of the pole projected from the breakout here, like this. There we go, and that's the exact level. If we zoom out here on the daily time frame, you can see that that is the level that we have this resistance right here, this wick right here. So this could act as a resistance for us, and after this one, the next one would be all the way up to 77, so around 75, 77. And as I said, I'm being conservative, guys, because if we consider the wick here, I'm just counting from here, guys, but if we consider the wick or even the beginning of this movement, because you can see this is one only movement. If we consider the beginning of this movement, then we would expect, guys, a target of $81. Almost 82. It doesn't mean, of course, that we are going to go straight from this point here to hit these targets, but we can start some correction here, guys. We went up 20%, as I said, it is a lot already. So we can start some correction here, some accumulation, some consolidation before we start to go to the upside once more. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!